everyone. Okay, so we're gonna do what's in my diaper bag. So here it is. We have a bow because it was end of the day yesterday and it was time for it to come out. So we need to put them on there. So let's see what we have. We have wipes. Can't live without those in your diaper bag. Burp cloth. Blanket. Sleeper. Of course the onesie. You know, I'm a big fan of onesies. Lots of diapers. We use Loves and love them. That's kind of funny. I also keep rice cereal since we do add rice to every other bottle. So that's one. Dexatint. We have Head and Body Wash and the lotion. Of course, my Draft Stain Remover pen. Baby powder. Do you really use baby powder anymore? I don't know. But I have it. More Dexatint. I guess these are free samples. Johnson's Baby Shampoo. More Head and Shoulders. Head and Shoulders. Head and Body Wash. Some more samples. It's early. A receipt. There's no telling what we'll find in here. So all this is in one little pocket. I got these bigger ones from the hospital while we were there, so we just put them in there. We have one sock. We have a nice squishy thing. We have a nut. Oh look, we have another sock. Another pacifier. I was trying to find who should take any other kind, but she doesn't, so that's really a waste. We have nipples for the bottle. We have changing pads. And Bibsters. They have a changing pad in here. And some water babies. I'll probably take that out now. Another note. nipple. And these are a lifesaver. These are ready to feed since we can only use ready feed, but they come in bottle size. So we just sorry, we just add the nipple and she's ready to eat. We keep a couple of these in the diaper bag. We have a diaper bag dispenser for poopies, so we can wrap them up so no one else has to smell them. This is my pocket. This is my wallet purse thing that I keep in here. I keep my Toys R Us coupons. Because you never know when you have to make a trip. My Toys R Us and Baby R's. Checkbook. More coupons. Coupons. My work badge. Lip gloss. Ink pen. Another neck. Another pair of towels. Another receipt. Some ibuprofen. Some more lip stuff. My teeth whitening stuff. I think it was a good idea to do this video because I really needed to clean out my diaper bag. Anyhow, I think that's all I have. So, I hope you enjoy. I look forward to seeing other moms' diaper bags. Talk soon. Bye.